is here, and we're going to go ahead and unbox her. And the Icon box, this one is like a quarterly box basically. This box ships out with about 8 products inside. Generally they're like the most popular products. It's valued up to $350, and it's $60 a box plus shipping and handling, $199 and taxes based on where you live. You do get to pick 3 of the items that come in this box. So the best part I like about this is that every product in this box is full size, and it's normally brands that you're familiar with. Occasionally you do get other brands mixed in, but I really feel like this box you're more familiar with a lot of the brands. You've heard them before, so that's why I like this one, because it's all full size items, and I think that's better, you know, for your money. But $60 for full size items and you get 8, you can't beat that. You really can't. So let's go ahead and get started with what is in my box. Alright guys, so this month's box is going to be curated by Lisa Vanderpump. She is one of, what is it, the Housewives of Beverly Hills? Is that was the one she won? I think it's the Beverly Hills one. And she also has a restaurant. Is that restaurant still open? I don't remember. I don't follow her like that. I know who she is. I'm very familiar with who she is, but I don't follow all of her stuff. So this one says unapologetically decadent. And this month's, this season's box rather, will have items in here from things that she likes to use, like some of her favorite items here. And it'll also have some of the, I guess, some of the things that they just recommend. So as you guys can see, like, there's a bit going on here. So we are going to jump right into our box here. So the first item I'm going to pull out of this box, I'm going to try to go quickly because there's a lot to get through. So the first item I have is a Dermalect product. This is the Rapid Repair Daily Amino Gel Cleanser. This is valued at $38. And it says this product, it gives your skin a deep clean that it deserves, with a gentle exfoliation. So this is just a cleanser. I do like this brand, by the way. I like their retinol overnight serum. And I like a few of the other things that they make, but I do like this brand, so I'm familiar with the brand anyway. So we're going to go to the next one. And for Lisa Vanderpump, this is one of the brands that she does use, and she says that this gel cleanser is a go-to for a nightly refresh. It cleanses and revitalizes your skin like a dream. So that's our first product. The next item we're going for in here. I got an Il Makiage product. I do like this brand. And it didn't work out so well with the foundation when I tried it, but I do like the brand. I like their concealer. So this is an Il Makiage product, and this is their High Point Face Shaping Palette. This palette is valued at $72, guys. That's the regular cost of this palette. So let me open it up and we're going to get right in here. And this is how it looks. I like the packaging. Everything is so sleek and black, and then it has the imprint embossed here is the Il Makiage name, which I think is really great. And then we open her up. Hold on. We open her up without closing her. How about that? Maybe. Dang it, nails. Alright, so I'm going to just turn down the mirror so you guys can kind of see the colors. And I'm going to go in a little bit there so y'all can see. So this is, they call it a face shaping palette. So it says max out your look and your cheekbones with this all-in-one face shaping palette. And if I can keep my hands together here, I could show it to you. How about this without the mirror blaring? So this is the face shaping palette that we have here. And this contains what's going to be a matte bronzer. You get a pigmented blush as well as 2 pearlescent highlighters. So I'm assuming this is the blush here, and this is the bronzer, and these two here are the highlighters. So again, this is valued at $72, and it says this is in the color dark. So I actually like this. I actually can't wait to try this. Now, this bronzer probably looks like my skin tone, so I doubt that you'll be able to see that on me at all. But everything else we should be good to go with. So let's go to our next item. And again, this was $72 from Il Maquillage. So the next thing I have in here, we have a Korres product, and I am very familiar with Korres. This is their Santorini Grape Volcanic Sea Reset Mask. That is a lot to say, a very big mouthful. This is valued at $39, and I'm going to pull it out so you guys can see what it looks like. So this is the product here outside of the packaging, and this is going to be a clarifying volcanic sand face mask. So it's supposed to help target enlarged pores as well as remove excess oil, and this is supposed to give you a very glowing complexion. So this is a reset face mask valued at $39. Okay, so guys, here's our next item coming out the box. We have an LYS product. So this is a lip product, LYS Beauty. This is Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. It's valued at $20. We have the color called Sincere. And let me pop that out so I can show you what this one looks like as well outside the packaging. Now this color here is supposed to be like a pinky nude lipstick. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, so I'm not gonna swatch it because I may not keep this one. I am gonna pull it out so I can show you guys. So it's a pinky nude, as you guys can kind of see. But yeah, that ain't my kind of color. I guess I could probably use it, like maybe like create a lip look and maybe stack it with another one. But yeah, I don't think this is going to work for me, this color. But this is supposed to moisturize. It's supposed to be moisture meets matte. It's how this lipstick is basically telling us. It delivers a one swatch color payoff while keeping your lips deeply hydrated and moisturize all day long. But again, this is $20. This is the LYS Love Speaks, what is it? Speak Love Moisture Matte Lipstick. That is like a mouthful. What a long name. Let's go to the next thing here. Oh my God, why is the name so long? How about that? The next thing we have is in here. Let me take it out of the packaging. And this is a TYS Beauty product. This is their Angel Face Setting Powder, and this is $26. And the color I have is Halo. It says a super soft sheer setting powder for angel face skin. So let me pop her open. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna flip this up. I'm not familiar with this brand at all. If you guys have tried this brand, let me know. But this is the color that we have for this color Halo for the setting powder. And it's supposed to take your everyday look from basic to dreamy. It's supposed to smooth your skin, reduce shine, and minimize the look of pores. So that's what this product is supposed to do. And again, the color is Halo, valued at $26. So I have never used this brand before, so I'm not familiar with them at all. I don't have anything extra to tell you about them. Let's go to our next item, guys. So the next item we have a Glow Recipe item. I love their line. And this is a Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner, and I actually was out of the toner. I like the pink brand. I don't know which one that is. What is that, the watermelon one? That's the one that I generally buy the most of, is the watermelon one. But this is what the product looks like outside of the box. So I haven't used this one before, so I do like essence and toners, so I can't wait to try this one. This one is $38 for this toner, and it's supposed to help tone and brighten your skin. It hydrates it nourishes and it locks in moisture to your skin. So I can't wait to try this one. And again, this is Glow Recipe. This is their Cloudberry Bright Essence toner, valued at $38. So the next item I'm pulling out, guys, this is Polite Society. I don't know if you've heard of them. I haven't heard of them before. So this is Polite Society. This is their glossy lip balm and pink grapefruit. So this is valued at $21, and this is supposed to be a plush hydrating lip balm that nourishes and it immediately quenches dry lips. So as you can see, it's a pinky color here. I like these lip glosses, but I love anything that nourishes your skin as you get into the winter time, because some of these lip glosses, you put them on, they're literally just sitting on your lips. They don't give your lips any kind of moisture. So if you're dealing with chapped lips or anything like that, they don't help you. So I'm hoping this is like a good one where you get the color and you have like moisturized lips, and it's kind of helping, like it says, it's supposed to immediately help with dry lips, severe. Yes, that's it. Supposed to immediately soothe and quenches dry lips. So I can't wait to use this one. I think I would really like that because I don't know, I suffer with that in the winter time. That's why I hate the winter. Everything's dry, your skin's dry, everything dry. I hate the winter. Let's go on to our next item in here. So I have Life of the Party. This is by 5 Cents. I've never heard of this brand, but this is a perfume, an Eau de Parfum. And this is valued at $65. And Life of the Party, I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can kind of see, but apparently this one has notes of blackcurrant, peach blossom. It flirts with an earthy base of saffron, midnight jasmine, and amber. And apparently it says it's like self-confidence in a bottle. That is a very bold statement. And you know, your girl got a spray. It's a real soft scent, actually, with like a sweet note on it. Like you smell a little sweetness. It's not heavy though. It's very light. I would say light and flirty. That's how I wouldn't say self-confidence in a bottle, but hey, whatever works for you, whatever good marketing works. But this is what we got. And this is a 1 fluid ounce of this perfume. And it's an Eau de Parfum. But for us fragrance lovers, we don't do the toilette. We don't do the toilet water. We do the parfum. Perfume lasts longer, so I do like perfumes. But yeah, it's a very light scent. I would say this is not bad. It smells nice. It's very light and kind of flirty to me. Like I would wear this to the office, or if you're going out on date night, I would think it would work. But yeah, I've never heard of this brand, so that's the items in my box. And I do am I missing something? Did I get all 8? Because I still have, or did I add this on? I can't remember. I don't know. I thought this was a part of my thing, but maybe I did this as an add-on. I have a Fenty skin product, and this is the Cherry Dub. This is the triple AHA body scrub. I do love Fenty products. I might have added this on and don't remember. But I don't have it on my list of items for the box, so this must be one of my add-ons here. And then I also added on the Tatcha water-based cream. This is like a mini one. And then I also did, what is this other item I have in here? I have a Fenty Gloss Bomb, and this is the Fenty Glow. And I'm going to just pop it out so you guys can see. I did that as an add-on too. And this is the color here for the Fenty Glow. So that was my add-ons after the regular stuff that came in the box. But quickly, I guess we can go through what I have. What's my favorite? You guys know I love fragrance, so this smells nice. I like this. This is in a like column for me. I love Koraz products. That's in the like column for me. Dermalect, I love their products. That's in the like column. And I love this Il Maquillage. That's in the like column. And I like Glow Recipe toners and skincare stuff, so that's in my like column. Don't know about this setting powder. I don't know about this. I don't know what y'all think. I don't know. I don't know about this one. And online it only had like 2 reviews, and I think it got like 2 stars out of 5. So that's not very encouraging. I mean, I don't know about this one. That's all I'm saying. And the LY, yes, I don't like the color on this lipstick. So I would say that's not a good one for me. But I did love the lip gloss. So there is like at least 75% of the box, everything that came for the Icon box, I really did like this month. So if you guys did pick this up, let me know what products you guys selected for your box in the comments below. Let me know what you thought of this month's Icon box. Like, were you feeling it or did you not like it? Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think. But guys, thanks for hanging out with me today and checking out what came in my Icon box. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and it'll let you know when I next post. But guys, until my next video, I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.